वन पेशेंट एग्जाम्पल जो मैं अभी कहा, एक बच्ची आई थी 16 साल की मेरे क्लिनिक में और उसका वेट था 105 kg और शी वाज अनमैरिड। रोती हुई आई जो इसकी शादी कैसे होगी फलाना। When enquired what is history, then told me जी ये रोज मटन और पुलाव के सिवा कुछ नहीं खाती। फर्स्ट थिंग ऑलवेज एंड वर्कआउट नो, घर से निकलती कहाँ है, स्कूल जाती, नथिंग। प्रॉपर डायग्नोसिस, नो एनी एडवर्स, एनी डिफेक्टिव एक्सेप्ट ओवरवेट 105। मैंने 3 साल तक इलाज किया तो उसका वेट 70 kg आया, तब उसकी 19 साल में शादी हुई है। इट इज़ माई पर्सनल व्यू टू ट्रीट द ओबेसिटी बाय द हेल्प ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक प्रिंसिपल। आई पुट ऑन दैट पेशेंट ओनली दीज प्रिंसिपल एक्सेप्ट वन मेडिसिन आई वुड स्लिप। Do you know very well, in modern science, one medicine is much popular nowadays, semaglutide, but it will be more costly than works dramatically. मैं 3 साल में उस बच्ची का 30 किलो वजन किया, लेकिन इफ़ यू टेक semaglutide 6 महीने में आप 30 किलो कम कर लो। लेकिन इट विल बी फार डिफरेंस इन मतलब costly more than a semaglutide, more first year cost 2 lakhs, but in our science when you treating obesity only 2 to 5,000 per annum. That is the plus point of Ayurveda. I am guaranteed to tell you, if you follow Ayurvedic principle to treat any obesity patient without any side effect. Today, my topic is Ayurveda Ahar for obesity. Next slide. Next. Topic is Ayurveda Ahar for obesity. It is clear. Ahar is responsible to build up obesity. It is vice versa. Ahar is also useful to treat the obesity. This is the beauty of this subject. Next. Some introduction. Ati stool means excessive accumulation of meat, means adipose tissue, and mass, do you know, muscle tissue, leading to buttock, abdomen and breast. Cup dose is primarily dominant. It is one of the 8 undesirable constitution. It is well known in Charak. There are 8 limbic rules. It is one of them. When you are treating the patient of obesity, it is too difficult in comparison to crystal body. So it is too difficult. But it will be fully cured by the help of Ayurveda. Next, do some practi. What happened in obesity? First you see Mandagini, then after Mandagini, arm formulation developed, and after arm, Sroto Avrodh. Do you know very well, there are so many channels in our body, so it breaks, means Srot Avrodh, and then Medo Vedi. Med means fat tissue, adipose bone, adipose tissue, and finally manifestation of asthal. That is the samprapti. Now, root cause of asthole, root cause of obesity, mainly in center, it is highlighting overeating. Overeating means nothing. If you take some raw material, some sattvic bhojan, it is not bad. But when you taking normal diet and you are taking over, it means it increases intensity of obesity. Dairy foods, madhur foods, guru and snake. Guru means, it is well known, guru means heavier. It will increase your body weight. Snake means saturated, which will be deposit in your body, any part of your body. So when you take guru and snake more and more, it will be accumulated. And frequent eating and fried foods. Next, some highlighting complication. So when obesity occurs, then what will be disease in next year and more after year? These are complications. Each and every obesity or obese patient, in among 5 diseases, 1 or 2 are present. So diabetes mellitus is well known. Next, heart disease. Next, NAFLD. Nowadays, NAFLD is not uncommon, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Arthritis and urinary disorder, skin disease. Some obese patients are just like obesity, axillary region, inguinal region, even thigh occur so many skin disease. Now next slide, ahar. Because ahar is the main tool to treat obesity. What to eat, when to eat, how to eat, how much to eat, and what not to eat. There are 3 types of main meal in our science: sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. In modern science, clear-cut protein, fat, carbohydrate. But in our science, it is not clearly mentioned protein, fat and carbohydrate. Here mentioned sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. So it is clear indicate when you take rajasic more and more, it will be accumulated in your body. So ahar is the main focus point. Next, you see here, if you take more and more, it will not harm in your body because it is in sattvic bhojan, leafy grains. Next, you see here fruits like showing apple. You can take any season, any day, any time, no harm. It is so safe, no accumulation in your body in a deposed tissue. Next, this slide is main markable. Each and every people love it and take it. So it is not bad, but you take in a precautionary measure, not day by day, because it is much calorie in comparison to previous slide. So be aware of that slide. Here one line is important. Diet to be taken. Calorie in and calorie out. Suppose your body needs 2200 calories and if you are taking 4,000 calories per day, then what happened? That 1800 extra calories will be deposited in your body, whatever may be the part, either abdomen, breast or buttock, but it will be accumulated just like extra done. So you take, if you take 4,000 calories in a month, in a fortnight, there will be no harm. But you take regularly, it will be accumulated in your body. So you always calculate to when you taking lunch or dinner. Next, you see here, there are well-known 3 types of monkeys, but here something message is different. Don't see fast food, don't hear sweets, and don't ask more salt. That is the different thing. Because medical science advocated to us that only 1 TSF salt is necessary in 24 hours and 3 teaspoons oil is necessary in 24 hours each and every people. And 5 TSF sugar is needed for 24 hours. So when processing border, it will be accumulated. So be aware. Now principle of treatment. What is the principle to treat the obesity? Langhan. Langhan means lightening. When you light in your body, that is Langhan, means simple fasting. Lekhan, Agni Dipan, Am Pachan, and last Panchkarma. When you treating any type of disease in our science, lastly Panchkarma is needed. That is why in treating obesity, Panchkarma is also needed. Now Saman Chikitsa, Trifla, Trikatu, Guggun, Chitrak and Vidana. I have already mentioned in previous slide the Dipan Pachan, Am Pachan. That is the same way. When you taking Trikatu, Chitrak, it will work to Dipan Pachan, and Gugulu just for Lekhan Kar, and Vidana a good laxative. So all these are the principles of to treat the obesity. Now useful dietary regimen. Here see millets. Millets is well known as a Sri Anna. Nowadays it is popular, common, not uncommon. If you take millets on a regular basis, it will decreases your obesity, means adipose tissue. Like bitter gourd, bottle gourd, these are useful diet to decrease the obesity. Ginger, cumin, methi, black pepper, leafy greens and warm water is well known. Each and every family are taking sometimes lukewarm water. So it is useful. Next, apatya diet, which is unsuitable in obese patients, particularly when taken to treat the obesity. Sweets, sugar and jaggery. These are not in a huge quantity. That will be hampered in the treatment in case of obesity. Sometimes I have personally seen when taking sweets more and more, they can't stop regularly taking much more. It will be hampered. Cheese, cream, full fat milk, you know very well. I am talking there much calorie in these substance. Fried oils, processed food, cold drinks, ice cream, bakery items frequently. All are suitable, but not taking regularly to treat the obesity. Now Vihar means lifestyle to change your activity to minimize the obesity. Stay active. Some people are in sedentary life, sitting always. No, you stay active. Any work, you can do any work. Be active. Avoid day sleep. Most of the people after taking lunch, some step is necessary, half an hour, 1 hour. Obese patient it is contraindicated. Light and early dinner. Maintain biological clock. It is necessary. Suppose I am taking millets, I am taking rough diet, but you take at a biological clock, means fixed routine. It will be essential. Why somebody when they inquire about obese patient and take a history, then clearly say, I am taking dinner at 11 o'clock. It is my routine habit. And lunch 4 p.m. Then what will occur in your body? Because you know in daytime, in mid-noon, it will be increases. It means if you take lunch, it will be digested properly. And after noon, gradually cup is dominant. So at the evening you take lunch, it will be hampered in digestion. So be care, maintain biological clock, lack of mental activity. Here some yoga to build up, because it is one indication that some yoga exercise enhance the strength of pancreas. You ask me why you are saying pancreas. It means if you are taking more sugar, more sweets, or if your pancreas is in active form, it will be dissolved properly, means by the help of insulin. So no accumulation will be there. Some tips to exercise or active form. These are examples. In Netherlands, it is one of the healthier country in whole world. That is why, because that people in Netherlands always use bicycle. So that is why in Netherlands most of the people are healthy. So we active by the help of these tools. It is meditation. Somebody can question what is meditation needed, but it is mentioned practice of relaxation of mind. Mind is like a jockey and heart is like a horse. If the jockey whips the horse races fast. Similarly, when mind is tense, the heart overfunctions. Stress and strain increases the production of cortisol hormone. It means cortisol is known as bad hormone. So 20 minutes meditation is necessary to recharge your mind. If your mind is recharged, then your mind Always positive thinking. When your mind is not in active form, not recharged, then your mind become always negative thinking. मैं मोटा हूँ, मेरी शादी नहीं होगी, मैं मोटी हूँ, मैं उससे सुंदर, that is negative thing. So be always keep on meditation sometime. Next. Thank you.